insert. AutoCAD command to insert blocks or a drawing in the current drawing. Touch to insert. An easy way to place more instances you have already inserted in your drawing. Run the command, select an existing block to insert more instances. Pick a point for new location, specify scales, and rotation angle. New block is drawn on its proper layer. Image attach. A command to attach images in your current drawing. Command opens a dialog to select from all image format files. Select a file and follow prompts. Image Manager. AutoCAD command to attach images and other formats files into your AutoCAD drawing file.